Hey everybody, it's Melinda from MTZ Crew Designs. Welcome back to another tutorial from the Couture creative team. So I picked up this table, not realizing how tiny it was, and it really needs a glow up, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. I think this is probably the world's smallest table. But I figured the best way for him to live out his life is as a plant stand, so we're going to make it the cutest little plant stand that ever did live. So since I want to put a small decoupage paper on the top of this table, the first thing I'm going to do is put a coat of Simply White from Couture's acrylic mineral line all along the top of the table. Using white as my base underneath the decoupage paper is going to provide for the best vividness of the colors in the paper. So that's why I'm putting white here as the base. The acrylic mineral line from Couture has a great amount of coverage, so I'm really only going to need one coat of paint here. And I'm using a small artist brush, but it's kind of a flat brush. So I'm only wanting to put the paper right in the center. So I'm just careful to put the white paint just in the center of the table. And then after I get the paint on there, I will just leave that to dry. And once it's dry, then I will start measuring out my decoupage paper. I'm just measuring out the placement here, and I'm using an X-Acto knife to trim it. So I'm not going to use the entire sheet of decoupage paper, but I do want it trimmed out so that I can make it easier on myself when I apply the glue to adhere it. And then to adhere the decoupage paper, I'm going to use Couture's Decoupage Medium in the finish matte. I'll use the medium underneath the paper and then again on top of the paper to glue it down. And now I'm just going to blend out some of the colors on top of the paper. So I'm starting off with Night Sky, kind of like in the darker areas where I want a darker blue. And then I'll also use a combination of a few other colors. And then I'm going to also use Admiral Blue and also Angel Eyes. All three of these are from the acrylic mineral line. And then on the edge of the table, I'm going to use one of Couture's new Luxe Metallic paint colors. This is called Aegean Blue. This is such a stunning color. I'm a huge fan of Luxe Metallic paint colors. They have such beautiful, intense brilliance, and the coverage is amazing. So the really cool thing about using the Luxe Metallic paint colors is just a little bit of paint goes a long way. And now that I've got 2 coats of paint here on the edge and that's completely dried, now I'm going to use one of my favorite top coats, I guess you could say. This is Couture's pouring resin, and I'm going to be using it as my top coat, but it's also going to double as something else. So I'll show you that here in a second. But what you want to do with the pouring resin is just mix it thoroughly. You don't need to shake it, just mix it. And what I do is just spin the bottle slowly just to mix it up really well. And then start in small sections. I pour a little bit of resin in the center and just tilt the table left to right, making sure that that resin is pouring all over. And the really cool thing about this product that I love is that you don't have to mix multiple solutions to get the end result here. It's just ready to pour straight out of the bottle once you mix it up a little bit. So I do several different applications of the pouring resin and then just kind of tilt the table back and forth until I have the coverage that I want. And then if you want to spread it out to the edge, what I do is use a silicone tool and just kind of pull it out to where I want it. And the really cool thing about this product is that it self-levels. So the leveling is going to take care of itself as it's drying, but I'm using that tool just to kind of guide it in the same area, in the area that I want it. Now, I also want to coat my Luxe Metallic paint with this. So once I get the center completely covered, then I'll use my gloved finger and just kind of spread it along the edge of the table so that it also seals in my Luxe Metallic paint. And then once I have all of the pouring resin exactly where I want it, the last thing I want to do here is add this really cool new product from Couture. This is, these are called silver nuggets, and they're just tiny little glass nuggets that you can use for different projects. You can use them on mixed media projects, obviously here on furniture projects. They're a lot of fun, and they provide just kind of an extra embellishment for your project. So I wanted to use this because I wanted to give an added effect of dimension within the top of the table. And plus they're shiny glass nuggets, so they're really pretty and they sparkle in the light, and you know, it just gives it something different to look at. And using the pouring resin as my medium here, they will be glued into the table and it'll give it kind of a cool effect. And then once I have them all set where I want them, I leave my table to dry for several hours. And this is after the first coat of pouring resin. This is the kind of finished look here. You can add an extra layer of pouring resin on top of your project. You just have to wait for the first layer to completely dry. So I may go back and add another layer of pouring resin. But I really love how the silver nuggets just sparkle in the light with the high gloss finish of the pouring resin and the Luxe metallic paint. For the base of this table, I also used another Luxe metallic paint called Vintage Lace. It's a really pretty beige, and with that Luxe metallic sheen, it really gives off totally vintagey, cute, beautiful vibes. Told you, cutest little plant stem that ever did live, right? Well, thank you so much for hanging out with me. That concludes the video. And if you want to know what products I used, I'll make sure I'll link them down below. And then I'll also put my affiliate link in case you feel inspired to start your own project. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the Paint Couture YouTube channel so that you don't miss the next video. Bye.